Okay, we'll cut this out here. So we have this piece. This piece we don't need. That piece we don't need. This is for the dowel to set into when we hook up our string. So now what I'll do is I'll use this on here as a pattern to cut this side out. Mark that. Oops. Mark that up there. There we go. So we'll cut this out, and then we'll have our next piece for this. You want to be sure you mark your pieces so you don't mix them with the opposite side. Like this. So I know the orientation of how to put this piece in there, where the arrows are at the top and this is the inside. So we'll cut this out, then we can move on to the next step. Enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.